Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing what matters: sample, rate, and tracks. Choose 44. 1K HZ for music, 48K HZ for video, then create audio, instrument, and drummer tracks. Once done, set your input gain so peaks land around -6 dB and enable monitoring only when needed to avoid feedback. Make sure to toggle low latency mode if you're tracking with virtual instruments. Also organize take folders immediately. That saves time when comping. These first steps reduce rework and keep your session tight and export ready. Now you record and refine efficiently. Use cycle recording for multiple takes and store them in take folders so you can comp the best phrases. This speeds arrangement decisions. When editing audio, trim with the scissors and apply short fades to eliminate clicks. Crossfades fix overlaps. For MIDI, quantize conservatively and humanize timing to avoid mechanical feel. Use the noise gate and EQ to clean tracks, and apply gentle compression to control dynamics. This preserves clarity while making mixes sit correctly. Finish by shaping the mix and preparing delivery. Balance faders and pan to create space. Send instruments to buses for shared reverb and parallel compression to glue groups. Once the mix translates, export stems and a master mix at your chosen sample rate and bit depth. Include normalization only if the client asked for loudness specs. If you encounter distortion or latency, lower the buffer size when tracking, check for clipped inputs, and consolidate CPU-heavy tracks. These actions finalize a professional Garageband production and prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.